This customer had a massive cicada killer wasp infestation in his backyard. Here's one carrying a cicada that has our residual dusting application on it. Cicada killers are large insects, about 2 inches big. Also, they're solitary insects, meaning they nest alone and nest in well-drained, light-textured soils in full sunlight. How do they get their clever name? From killing cicadas in order to reproduce their larvae. We made sure to treat every single one of the cicada burrows with a residual dusting product. This treatment will quickly exterminate the cicada killer wasps.